Centralizing data in a data warehouse most often comes with a need to clean and standardize it before anything else. With ClicData, you can do this at different steps of your data processing. When importing data, you can directly optimize the process to remove unnecessary rows or columns in the new table. For instance, query your database for necessary columns only, and for any source type, you can define optional purge rules to completely ignore rows that are not needed. This will also optimize your storage usage. For more advanced data cleaning and standardization, use the Dataflow module, which opens up many possibilities for data transformation. The Filter Wizard and the Filter Query nodes help you filter data using static values or using dynamic formulas and parameters. The Remove Duplicate node makes it super simple to get rid of bad data. The Fix Data node is used to remove spaces, fix bad dates, and show that empty values mean something and that they fall within specified ranges. The Replace node and Standardization node gives you the ability to define rules to search and replace the data in just a few clicks. And for those especially more difficult cases, use our Calculation node to define your own rules using SQL or the Ask AI nodes to simply fix the data for you. ClicData also offers a wide range of data templates that can be used as reference datasets such as calendars, dates, weather data, currency exchange rates, country codes, and other open data repositories. Connect and use these datasets in the data flows to organize your data around common dimensions. And finally, with our DataScripts module, you can really get the full power of Python and SQL to help you clean the data. Write to scripts in SQL or Python, or have AI write it for you, and apply cleaning logics on any table in your data warehouse. With ClicData, cleaning and standardization is easy to apply, and it's completely integrated in the data processing. Contact us for a personalized demo or start your trial at www.clicdata.com.